Studying law in Ireland does not mean you can work as a lawyer here. Law is one of the most misunderstood fields when it comes to studying in Ireland. Many students assume that doing a law degree or an LLM will directly lead to a legal career here. But the reality is very different. To practice law in Ireland, you need to go through a very specific pathway. This includes clearing the FE1 exams and then progressing through law society training. This process takes time, additional cost, and strong understanding of the Irish legal systems. So if you come for a general law degree or an LLM without planning this pathway, you may not be able to practice as a solicitor or barrister. What actually happens in many cases is that students transition into related fields like compliance, policy, contract management, or business roles. These roles can be valuable, but they are very different from practicing law. Another thing to consider is competition. Law is a highly competitive field even for local students, and employers prefer candidates who are trained within the Irish legal system. If your goal is to build a legal career in Ireland, you need to plan this properly from the beginning. Understand the exams, timelines, and costs involved. Do not assume that a degree alone will get you there. Law can work in Ireland, but only if you approach it with full clarity. Before you finalize your course or college, DM me. Your course, college, and career path in Ireland all need to align for jobs, visa, and long-term stay. And I can help you plan this properly from the start.